Hey friends, I just want to show you if you're cooking out and if you want to get rid of the house flies without killing them, and there's an easy way to trick. You just need to get some corns like this one, and before you cook out, all you gotta do is to plant a few of those away and then let them be, and then you can have fun. Which is a way to trick them. I don't want to bother them at all. They're just going to have fun, and I'm just going to kick them away. So let me kick them away and see how they come back. And check this out. Not as many of them just came back, but they're going to slowly come back. Alright, that's about it. This is the way you can make sure fly free cookout. Thanks for watching.